Guys, in this video, we will see how to fix Microsoft Ultimate Word games not loading on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error, then the first workaround is run a store troubleshooter. Go to Windows search and type a store troubleshoot and find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on open. The store troubleshoot window will now open. Here, troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Click on advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically and choose next. Click on next and now troubleshooting will detect your issues and fix them accordingly. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process and check whether your Microsoft Ultimate error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open run in plus R shortcut key or right click on a start button and choose run. And here type wreset.exe. Click on OK. When it's gonna find wreset spelling mistake wreset.exe. Open. It will clear Microsoft Store caches from your system. To clear Windows Store caches, you will have to apply wreset.exe command in run dialog box and it will clear your Microsoft Store caches and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, scroll down and click on apps. From the right side, choose installed apps. And here look for Microsoft Store apps. Type store in search field. App will appear Microsoft Store. Click on 3 horizontal dot against Microsoft Store. Click on 3 horizontal dot and choose advanced options. Scroll down and under reset, if this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair. And if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. If repair does not work, then reset Microsoft Store. Again choose reset. And after that, check whether your Microsoft Ultimate Word game not loading error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Close the window and open control panel in your system. Here from the available list, go to Windows Defender Firewall, click on it. Here from the left side of menu, you will find the option turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Temporarily disable Windows Defender Firewall under private network as well as public network. Once your problem is resolved, don't forget to turn on Windows Defender Firewall again and click on OK. And after that, check your error Microsoft Ultimate Word game not loading definitely be resolved. That's all.